In this quick guide, you'll learn how to cancel a Bill.com account. Whether you're simplifying your financial tools or moving to a different service, closing your Bill.com account is a straightforward process. I'm going to walk you through each step to ensure a smooth transition without any hassle. First, you need to navigate to the Settings section. Once you're logged into your Bill.com account, look for the Settings option, which is usually represented by a small gear icon. This icon is a universal symbol for settings and is typically found in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Clicking on it will take you to a comprehensive menu where you can manage various aspects of your account. Within the Settings menu, direct your attention to the Billing and Subscription section. This area contains all the information related to your current plan and payment details. It's important to have a clear understanding of your plan details before proceeding with the cancellation, just in case there are any final charges or refunds that need to be addressed. Once you're in this section, look for the Plan Details option and click on it. This will provide you with all the specifics about your subscription, including any terms and conditions that might be relevant to the cancellation process. Next, you'll want to locate the Cancel My Service button. This is the key step in the cancellation process. Clicking on this button will initiate the closing of your account. Bill.com typically places this button in a noticeable spot to ensure users can find it easily. Remember, once you click this button, you're beginning the process to permanently close your account, so make sure this is the step you want to take. After you click the Cancel My Service button, the platform will prompt you to confirm your decision. This is an essential step designed to safeguard against accidental cancellations. You'll be asked to confirm by selecting Yes, Cancel Account. By selecting this option, you're confirming that you wish to proceed with closing your account. Make sure you've reviewed all necessary information and are ready to finalize your decision before clicking Yes. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of canceling your Bill.com account. It's always a good idea to double-check that you've received any final confirmations from Bill.com, either through email or on-screen notifications, to ensure your account has been closed properly. If you encounter any issues or have additional questions, consider reaching out to Bill.com's customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on managing your online accounts.